Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 1997 Case IH 8920 with 9,129 hours. This MFD tractor features 155 horsepower and an 18-speed power shift transmission, along with a great bend 860 loader with 8.5-foot bucket and grapple. The rear is outfitted with a dual PTO, 3 remotes, and a 540/1000 PTO. The rear tires are 18.4 R42s with 50% tread, and the front tires are 13.6 R28s with 50% tread. And up to the cab, which features joystick loader controls and an air seat. If you are interested in this Case IH 8920 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you are interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.